about 1:30 p.m. and we are just out here getting the boat ready to go explore the beautiful Whitsunday Islands. I'm here with Mariah, woo, the shacker queen herself. We're gonna just start a shack account, so let's see how many shackers get thrown this trip. Are you a boat dog now? Arr! Oh, we have a boat dog. We're ready to go. Let's go! We are underway and it is currently about 8:17 p.m. so we're making good progress. We made it!
I'm so tired.
Are we tired? So tired. Where are we?
Sailing makes you tired. Stonehaven. We did a night sail on Alwyn.
Woohoo! And we survived with Skipper Mel.
Ooh, that's
Master
me.
Mel.
Yeah, I'm Skipper.
And it is kind of cold, it's kind of late, it's about 9:30 at night, I think.
It's past my bedtime.
Yeah, ready for bed for a big day tomorrow, gonna go diving. Yay! We just pulled into our anchorage in Stonehaven and we happen to be right next to the Atlantic Clipper. Shout out to True Blue Sailing. Your doof music will like send us to sleep. The beautiful serene sounds of nature. We love it. But bed is pretty cozy. See you guys in the morning. Morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning and we just woke up and I brought my camera out for sunrise because it was so fucking pretty. Coffee to survive. Oh yeah, cheers.
I feel it running in my veins, struggling with breathing, suffocates my brain, and there's nowhere, gravity's erased. I am the runaway dog. They send me in a space.
Let's go. Majestic. We just put the drain up. Ah, it looks so good. Are we stoked? Fucking so stoked. First dive of today. Mariah's life hack hairstyle. Typical. I go the top knot. We're all zinked up, ready to go, remembering our sun protection. Outfit of the day. It's so attractive putting on wetsuits. All set. Get that top knot, our prime anti-knot diving hairstyle. Only thing that has worked for me for this. Yeah, I've always struggled. But we are just gonna go swim over and check out some of these little bombies. We're gonna have a little look for crays, see what we can find. We got a shark dude. Alright, time to get in the water. Whee! We found one of the sculptures. Looks so sick down there.
What is that?
What do you think? I think it's like, I have so much hair in my mouth, so I just took my hair out. I think it's like an upside down octopus or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. Correction, I think it's a big coral polyp. Close enough, octopus. Part of the Nigerian family. We're close enough. Bored. I don't know what my hair is doing, but we work it out. About to make some lunch. It was a good dive. Successful. Oh yeah, so good. Mean feed. Cheeky vlog. We've just pulled it off. We've just had a little sail and pulled up to our anchorage for the night in beautiful Stonehaven again. Here's Mariah. We're both so sunburned. My face is so red.
Yeah, I'm a bit crispy.
In the sun all day, keen for a cheeky beverage and a nice little dinner. Like, walk into the room and ask me. No, you have to ask me, you idiot. Okay. Well, now this looks posed. You have to come down with the camera. Okay. What's cooking good looking? Vegan snitties and potatoes. And very, very, very tired body. I keep forgetting to vlog, but we're out here cooking a mad feed. Eating some blueberries. Watch a good sunset. About to climb into bed. Get ready for tomorrow. Good morning. Morning. It is, what is the time?
It is 6:30.
6:30 a.m. We are looking really revived after that night's sleep. Look at this.
Oh my god. I don't even wash my face yet.
And neither have I. Yep, this is a real raw, very natural capture of this trip. And look how glassy it is. Glassy. How are you feeling?
Oh, good morning.
For today, what's our goal for today?
Catch a fish.
For lunch. I'm not sure about our luck. It's about, yeah. What do you think of that?
I think it's a good plan, Stan.
Yeah.
Scoot over, kid.
So we've got Bodie driving the boat now. Oh no. Yeah, we're probably not going to make it. So cool. That's great. Woohoo! Oh my god, they're so high, they're overflowing! Woo! I guess so. Wow, be more stoked. Mom, what are your stoke levels?
You know that we bleed the same.
Get on catching a fish. Oh.
Oh, you found the spot.
So far, unsuccessful. What do you think?
Good with the apple without the alcohol.
We gotta manifest it. It's gonna happen. We're gonna get a big magnet.
Oh. What are we gonna catch?
Fish.
A fish.
Fish.
A fish. What are we gonna catch? A fish.
Lunch. We're gonna catch lunch fish.
Catching a tender. Oh no. Not the tender. Don't jinx us, but so far unsuccessful fishing.
We may very well starve.
When you get nasty, back at me. But baby, don't distract me. I'm a goner. I lost her. Like, why the hell you wanna play me that way? You're bad, babe. You double-faced entendre. Like,
Woohoo, that is your new one. We are ready to go. Woo! Spotted muskrats! They're so cute! Snorkel and it was so good. We're just gonna jump in the tender and go for a quick little scoot around and explore Blue Pearl Bay. Going on a mission, just had to row back to the boat.
You got this, girls.
Coming! Because turns out I am not as good a boat person as I thought, and pulled out the choke, and so the motor turned off and I can turn it back on. But it's fine. We got it working again. We're alive. We're not in China. Here is us conquering the open ocean in the 5 horsepower tender.
Because where we have to go is too
Like
much
all the way around there.
further than I thought it was going to be, so no.
This tender just shut itself already. We don't want that. And it's a long way to row back to the boat. Bad skills. Reckon we'll send the drone up to go have a look at it though.
Yeah, I'll fly from the picture from the big boat because I'm not landing it in here or taking it off in here. It will not enter.
I don't know if you guys can see how small this tender is, but like it's pretty small. Well, it's cooking good looking.
Fish! Mark threw it at me and I caught it. Because he didn't want me filming.
You. Prepared earlier. I just had the best nap of my life, and we are on our voyage back. Making our way back to Early Beach, so that kind of sums up our little trip out to the islands. I know, I pretty much missed our whole trip. No, I didn't. She was up here.
Yep, my little patch.
So tired. But basically, just got a lot of cleaning to do, sorting out the boat. Apart from that, we're almost back, which is pretty sad.